Hey everybody, it's John from Detect Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use our gross profit per hour assistant directly inside of Tekmetric. The first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you have your gross profit per hour values set up inside of our platform. If I go ahead and open up the Detect Auto side panel and then I go right into our shop settings, what we'll find here is underneath the profitability goals section, this is where you can specify your GP per hour values. If you don't know how to calculate this or you haven't watched our other tutorial videos on this, please reach out to our team and we'd be happy to help you get all this set up. But assuming that you do have these numbers in place, what our system will do once you enter them in is we'll color code the entire repair order as well as the individual labor lines depending on how profitable or not profitable those services are for your shop. Any changes you make to the repair order as you're making updates will immediately be reflected inside of here. And so if I were to go ahead and change Josh's labor rate from $50 an hour to $1 an hour, that would immediately take our repair order from profitable but not very profitable to we're actually losing money by doing this job in the shop. Hope that helps give you an overview of how this tool can be impactful in your shop and quickly alert you to profitability gaps in your business. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.